I really wonder how tall this thing is going to get. It's laundry day. It's time to take care of that mountain of dirty clothes and start your week strong. But first, a little mommy pick-me-up. Ah, yes, that's the good stuff. That hit the spot. And now, let's get busy. Starting with sorting the clothes by color. I have a 4-basket sorter that I got from Amazon years and years ago, but I'll try to find something a little similar to it and link it below. But I'm telling you guys, this is a game changer. It makes doing laundry a little bit easier because everything's already sorted out. You just grab that bin, throw it in the wash, and keep going about your day. I'm going straight from sorting to throwing that first load in the wash. I'm doing an extra step this laundry day, and I'm stripping my towels because after a while the towels just start losing their absorbency and they start just feeling icky, and you could just feel the build up, and even sometimes you can kind of still smell a little scent coming from them even after you wash them. So it's good to strip your towels ever so often. You're going to give them a nice good soak and get all that ickiness out of it. And I'll link a video to how to do that in the description below. Now, I need my towels to steep for about 6 hours, and while I'm waiting for my load to get done, mommy duty calls. Now, my intention is to fold the laundry as soon as they come out of the dryer. So I have like a conveyor belt system going on here. You know, wash, then dry, then fold, and immediately put them away. So I don't have to have a big pile on my bed at the end of the day. But in between the loads, I'm cooking, I'm cleaning, entertaining kiddos, doing all that mommy stuff, right? And speaking of cooking, the meal for laundry day should be something that's quick and easy, like this chili that I did. I just cut everything up, threw it in a crock pot, let it cook, and then we have dinner ready. Because I'm already getting rid of a pile of laundry, I do not want to get rid of a pile of dishes on top of that. Don't forget to season your laundry now. One more dry sheet won't hurt. Now I know laundry can be you know, so make sure you reward yourself in between those loads. Listen to some jams. I like to play card games on my computer, or I even pull out my Switch sometimes. But you gotta make laundry day fun. For now, let's load that washer, then the dryer, and get those clothes nice and clean. For this part of the video, we're going to vibe to some good music and we're going to fold some laundry. So let's get to it. Now, it's been about 7.5 hours and look how dingy that water is. Oh my, it is so nasty. So I want to know, what do you think could be lurking in your towels if you never did a laundry strip of your towels? You can do this for not just towels, you can do it for your blankets or any other beddings, especially workout clothes. I know you probably smelled them before and you're like, oof, I washed this, but I still smell a little armpit. Yeah, it's time to strip them. And I have the video for you. Learn how to strip your laundry and get it done. Now, after you strip, you're actually going to go ahead and put in a regular wash cycle and do the same conveyor belt motion. Wash, dry, fold, and immediately put away. Or you can have your little kiddo help you do it. Thank you. I'm getting down to my last lows, and I'm not gonna lie, mamas, I was getting a little bit tired and baby girl was getting cranky. So it's time to call in some backup. Here, my 8-year-old is using a folding board to help fold, and even my 2-year-old joins in, and she wants to learn how to use her own little folding board and fold her own clothes.
Good job.
So there's another tip for you when it comes to laundry day. Get your children involved with you. Even the little kiddos, toddlers can help with laundry. Buy them a folding board. I'll link one below and teach them how to fold their laundry. So I know laundry can be intimidating, but it can be done with just one load at a time, and with a little help and motivation, it can be done. And I hope this video inspires you to conquer your own mount laundry. And if you like this kind of motivational video, don't forget, smash that like button and subscribe to this channel for more. And as always, I love you and I am rooting for you. Keep doing your thing, mama, because I see you.